With the rise of smartphones and social media, the need for social spaces has diminished severely. Third spaces, or places, are defined as a familiar public spot where one is able to regularly connect with others over a shared interest or activity. Although the internet has replaced many third spaces as a way to meet and interact with those who share similar interests, algorithms often avoid showing users those with opposite viewpoints. As such, in-person interaction is still integral to a well-functioning society, as third places provide a way to interact with those who have differing beliefs or identities. YA Media is highlighting some of the many third places New Milford has to offer in hopes that our town is able to learn from each other and create a more unified community. Another great place to meet up with people are public libraries. New Milford Public Library hosts a wide variety of events for all ages, such as cooking classes, gardening, and more. Not only that, but the library also offers spaces for meetings, studying, and other activities free of charge. Their largest meeting room, Memorial Hall, can seat up to 125 people. Of course, the library holds a very large collection of books and movies. However, the New Milford Public Library also rents out their library of things, which contains many different items outside of just books, such as video equipment, a telescope, outdoor games, and more. The library has space for all ages. The children's room is a great place to take your kids and read together in the model gazebo. The teens' room is equally as exciting, with shelves of graphic novels, spaces for teens to sit and chat, and fun challenges to attempt. Upstairs are the meeting rooms and adult section, including the Connecticut room, which houses the library's local history and fragile documents collection. And there are tables where you can get free help with malfunctioning or confusing technology. The library is open Monday and Friday, 10 to 5, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 10 to 8, Saturday, 9 to 5, and is closed Sunday. Make sure to check out their website for their calendar of events and all the other things they have to share.